Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 12, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. First of all, open two apps in the background that you wish to use in split screen view. In my case, Play Store and Chrome. Now, to access background apps using Tricky's navigation, tap on this button with three lines. Now, tap on those three dots at the top right corner of your app and tap on Split Screen. Lastly, just click on the other one. As you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps to the side and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!